Hello, I'm Lieutenant James Cooper with the Hanover County Sheriff's Office. The video you're about to watch is a demonstration on how to safely secure your firearm with the use of a trigger lock. Let's get started. To begin our demonstration, we're going to start by using a semi-automatic handgun. It's a SIG P226 that is completely unloaded, as you can see by looking at it visually and physically inspecting it. And it is unloaded and completely safe to use. Remember, the very first rule in firearm safety is we treat every weapon as if it were loaded. Now this weapon is safe to use and to lock. Remember, this pin right here is going to go directly behind the trigger. Just like that. The other side of the lock, you line up the small hole with the pin, make sure that it goes through, which it has. And then we're going to tighten it on the side that has the pin affixed to it. See, it's nice and secure, snug. Put the key in a place that only you know where it's at. As you can see, we could rack the slide forward now. And there is no way that this weapon will fire. It is completely safe. There's no way to get to that trigger. All right, next we're going to demonstrate using a semi-automatic rifle. And as you can see, this is unloaded physically and visually inspect. And this weapon is completely unloaded. Our trigger lock, again, when you pull the key out, that screw is going to be attached. Remember, this pin that's affixed to the lock itself goes directly behind the trigger. In the same way as if we were installing it on a handgun. There's your pin right there. Line up the pin with the small pinhole. Coming through this side. Line it up. It is secure. Pull the key out. Again, store the key somewhere that only you know where it's at. As you can see, it is impossible to get to that trigger. See, the use of a trigger lock is a simple, safe, and effective way to properly secure your firearms. The Hanover County Sheriff's Office reminds all gun owners to keep their weapons out of the reach of children and to safely secure them at all times. Thanks for watching.